Click. S-a auzit? Gata. Mai vrei încă unul? 3?
No, 3 is enough.
3 is enough.
Ia o probesc ca să fie
No.
Is there one in the chamber?
No, not yet.
Yeah, so pull the hand,
Yeah, it's okay.
pull the handle back. So it loads it up. It's good to go.
Safety on. Când vrei să tragi, întâi înainte să tragi apeși pe ăsta.
When you see the orange, that means you can pull the trigger.
Și niciodată arma spre noi, da?
Da.
Ok, arma încolo.
Îți spun asta când spargi urechi.
Nu spargi urechile, poate. E mai bine fără să știi. Stai că te duc.
Here, try this one, Pati.
Aha.
Friend, film Pati.
No, with yours?
Film Pati.
No, I'm filming now. So, Pati, put it up to your shoulder. And you're gonna use this as your target. You're gonna follow the target, and then you're gonna lead just a little bit ahead of it. And when it's just a little bit ahead of you, you're gonna pull the trigger. But you don't want to jerk the gun when you do it. Just kind of nice, smooth. Follow it, and just give it a pull.
Okay.
Neff's loading it up.
Pull!
Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! He got it, baby! Yeah!
Bravo, Pati!
Yeah, Pati nailed it!
Bravo, Pati! Foarte tare!
Pull!
That was a crappy one. It broke. We'll try again. Yeah, we got another one. Hold on. Stai.
Gata?
Da. Pull!
You want to get that one, Neff, and we can try that. We can fire that one again.
Yep. Pune arma, am pus în altă direcție. Așa.
But you got the first one. Nailed it.
But I was with my mouth right, and I did.
You have another 2 bullets.
Okay?
You have another 2 bullets, so it will be perfect then.
No, I think I have another one.
2?
Nu 2. Am băgat 3, nu? Sau
3
4?
sau 4?
3, 4 am băgat? Nu știu.
3, I think.
Deci gata.
Pull!
Nu s-a spart.
You got? Is the thing open? Let's see. Turn the gun around. He's out of ammo.
So